is what we came to see. The remnants of a grand old station. Jaffna railway station. Built by the British, built to last. And you see things like this, bullets, big bullets, that are just ripped through plate steel. During the war, the Tigers took all the railway tracks to use for bunkers. And I don't know what happened here, but it looks like there's been a few serious battles going on here as well. Walls are just pockmarked with bullets. I'll venture upstairs and see what's there. This is just amazing. Great walls, great rooms, huge rooms, offices. What's left of their bathrooms, tiles still on the walls. I don't know what's happened on this wall, but there are a hell of a lot of bullet holes in this wall, and all in the same area. This is a huge station. A huge station. You know, when this city is rebuilt, the trains are running again. Pretty amazing. Let's hope it all comes back together. For everybody's sake.